Daisy's ears perk up at a mysterious creak in the middle of the night. Determined, she tiptoes across the cozy living room, her tail twitching with curiosity. Charlie, wide-eyed and nervous, follows close behind, his paws trembling with every squeak of the floor. Daisy sniffs the air, crouching low, while Charlie hides behind her, peeking out anxiously. The tension builds as shadows flicker on the wall. Suddenly, Daisy pounces, only to reveal a squeaky toy rolling from under the couch. Both sigh in relief, sharing a playful laugh and a warm nuzzle.